In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to close Google Workspace account. This walkthrough is for administrators and will guide you through the exact place in the admin console to close your organization's account safely. Before we start, remember that closing a Google Workspace account is permanent and affects every user in your organization, so make sure you have the right admin permissions and that you're ready to proceed. Begin by opening the Google admin console and signing in with an administrator account. On the home dashboard, look for the account section. This is where your organization level controls live. Open it, then go into account settings. From there, head to account management. You'll see a checklist that Google provides to help you prepare for deletion. First, save your invoices and transaction history. This is important for finance, audits, or future reference. From the options provided on that page, download or export your billing records so you have a complete archive of your payments and invoices before the account is removed. Store them somewhere secure your organization can access later. Next, consider saving user data. This step is optional but highly recommended. Think about what needs to be retained: email, drive files, calendars, and shared resources. You can use the admin console's data export tools or ask users to download their own content where appropriate. If there are shared drives or documents owned by accounts that will be deleted, transfer ownership to a personal or another organizational account you'll keep. The goal is to prevent data loss you'll regret later. Now, you must cancel subscriptions and remove connected services. This part is required. Make sure the primary Google Workspace subscription and any add-ons are canceled. If you've installed Marketplace apps, remove them as well so they don't block deletion. If your organization uses Google Cloud resources, clean those up by deleting projects or transferring them away, and ensure there are no active services, instances, or buckets left behind. Also verify that there are no outstanding balances. An unpaid bill will prevent deletion. Once you finish those preparations, return to the account management page and choose Delete Account. Read the confirmations carefully. Deleting the account will revoke access for all users, stop all services, and may release associated resources. Confirm the prompts to finalize the closure. If the delete account button is unavailable, something still needs attention, usually an active subscription, a remaining marketplace app, a cloud resource, a store resource, or a billing issue. Resolve what's flagged on the checklist, then try again. That's it. By following these steps in order: account settings, account management, saving records, optionally exporting data, canceling services, and finally deleting, you'll close your Google Workspace account cleanly and confidently.